Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Philips Hue lights with Hue app troubleshooting, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin restoring your Philips Hue lights, ensure your Hue bridge is powered on. Check if your Hue bridge is connected to your Wi-Fi network. Open the Hue app on your smartphone or tablet. Navigate to the settings menu within the app. Select bridge settings to confirm the connection status. If your bridge shows an issue, restart it by unplugging it for a few seconds and then plugging it back in. Wait for the lights on the Hue bridge to stabilize. Once the bridge is back online, return to the app. Next, go to the lights section within the app. Select the light you wish to restore. If the light appears unresponsive, try switching it off and on. If the light does not respond, check its power source to ensure it's connected properly. For additional troubleshooting, choose the option to add light within the app. Follow the prompts to search for the light, ensuring your device is close to it. If the light is still not found, reset the light by turning it off and back on 6 times to trigger a factory reset. After the light resets, attempt the add light process again. If the issue persists, consider checking for firmware updates in the settings menu. Update the Hue bridge firmware if any updates are available. Finally, restart the entire process to ensure all devices are functioning properly. Check if your lights are now restored and fully operational. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.